Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sulaiman and I am studying in BBA4. Today I will present the business plan of Byte online store. So, starting from introduction, Byte is an online store located in Karachi where you can buy many products like household products, grocery products, personal care products, and we have many categories like that and products which you can buy it from here. Mission of our store is to serve the community by saving their time and giving them what they want. Goals and objectives of our store is that make good relations with customers by satisfying them through our products and services, and our goal is to gain the 50% market share of Pakistan online stores. We have 8 to 9 main categories of products like fashion, fresh food, beauty and personal care. Further, we have dozens of products in each category. Like in fashion, we have clothes, shoes, and watches of different brands. Supply chain of our store is that we take products directly from manufacturer and stock at our own warehouses. When we are given order, then we take them from our own warehouses to the customer by our own delivery system. Problems of other stores are that they charge more price than market rate, they give response to customers lately, and delivery systems are not efficient. And we have solutions for them. We have products which we provide at market price and give response to customers in 2 to 3 hours, and we have our own efficient delivery system. We will mainly target the middle class and upper middle class for our products because they want to give more time to their families and business. They don't want to get stuck in traffic or student counter for billing. Our competitors are QNE, Aram Shop, MyCard. And competitive advantage is that we take less delivery charges and we have our own efficient delivery system, and we provide products at market price. We will use different categories for marketing of our store. We will give sponsorship in social events. We will also hire bloggers and bloggers to spread the word, and advertisement will be also be used for marketing of our store. We are two partners in this business, and initial investment is 1.5 crore. 1 crore is available in cash and loan will be taken from bank of 50 lakhs. Capital investment. We will buy 5 warehouses on rent and office for operation. Approximately 3 lakh will be their monthly rent, and software and hardware expenses will be 20 lakh, and other will be spent on marketing and buying of different categories of products. Reasons for sustainability of our business are that we take care of our environment because we do not use plastic packaging, and we will provide discounts to our customers, and latest technology will be used in our store. We will also donate the unsold food to the needy ones. This is demo of our project. We have make a website through which we will do our business of online store. In top of the display page, we have list of the categories of products which are available and other options like registration and contact numbers through customer can talk to us. And below the document, discounts are shown which are available on the website. On the left side, different products are displayed like fresh food products, mobile accessories products, and more products like that. First of all, for ordering anything, customer have to register himself or herself. Then he can order and take that product through our delivery. That's all from my side. Thank you.